Music. Aussie Broadband, is it worth the hype? Let's dive into my experience with this popular Australian internet provider. I'll cover everything you need to know, and you can find plan links and special offers in the description below. Aussie Broadband is known for fast, reliable, and flexible internet. They offer a wide range of NBN, mobile broadband, and business plans, making them a great option for homes and businesses alike. One key feature is their transparent pricing. No hidden fees, just straightforward costs. Speeds range from basic 25 megabits to a blazing 1000, so whether you're casually browsing, streaming 4K, or serious gaming, they've got you covered. But what truly sets Aussie Broadband apart is their customer service. They offer 24/7 phone and online chat support, and users rave about their helpful and knowledgeable staff. This personalized attention is a huge advantage over larger competitors. Plus, there are no lock-in contracts, giving you total flexibility. They also actively manage their network to minimize congestion and maintain consistent speeds, even during peak times. While their prices might be slightly higher than some budget providers, you're paying for reliable speed and outstanding support. If you need a fast, reliable connection with excellent customer service, Aussie Broadband is a strong contender. It's perfect for everyone from casual users to high-bandwidth households and small businesses. Check the links below to see if Aussie Broadband is the right fit for you.